everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video, and we are going to be testing out the new Pat McGrath Concealer. I know I used this the other day, so this is not a first impression. I already know that I like it pretty good, and I want to test it with I used it with a foundation that wasn't my favorite, so I want to test this. This is what we're testing, but we're going to test it out with my Futurist because I really like this foundation, and just see how well it works with this and hot flashes and, you know, wrinkles. Because sometimes, you know, you get wrinkles with this too. It sinks into lines and stuff, and I don't think it did the other day, but I was wearing something that was super thin, and so I just want to try it with this. Besides the fact that I'm out of new stuff, so I thought, well, this is new, so we'll just give this a test for our Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video. So I've already primed my face with my Tarte base tape, and so let's just get right on in. I was gonna go ahead and put my foundation on before I started the video, but then I thought, no, it's kind of part of it, so I'm just gonna put some of this on, and then I'm gonna go in with a brush and spread it around, and then I'm gonna go in with a sponge too. This shade is a little bit light for me, I think. Okay, I am going to go and get a sponge real quick. Okay, I've got my wet sponge, my damp sponge. Actually, it is kind of wet, so I had to wash it. I didn't have any clean sponges. I keep several sponges, but I don't I don't wash them until I run out, and I'm out. So, okay, I'm just gonna go over this just real quick. Not that I think it needs it, because I really don't think it needs it. It does start to sink into lines a little bit, but as long as you push it out, at least this is the way I remember it, as long as you push it out before you powder it, it does pretty good. Okay, so we're going to go in with our concealer. And I need concealer and eye base, because my eyes are pretty dark. And then I'm just going to blend this in with my sponge. Pull it all the way up the side of my nose, down here. Little goes a long ways, which is good, except that I probably already put too much on there. But it's okay, I can make it work. Covers my darkness on my eyelids pretty good. That's a good sign. Alright, now I need to press this out really good. And then go in with powder. I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics by Pores powder that I love. And just go in and set that super good. Before any wrinkles set in. Then I just kind of go around to all the places that I put it. Well, not there. And then I just go in with my powder brush, get rid of some of this so that it's just basically pretty much empty. Get everything in there and then just go over the rest of my face to set that, all that foundation. All right, let's go in and do our bronzer. I have a new bronzer, a cream one, and I forgot to do it. Oh well, next time. We'll just use our regular old Milani favorite. I'm using this Milani. Oh, my Post-it note fell off my mirror. This says turn off the mic. Because if I don't turn it off, it will be dead. I didn't want to get this kind of mic. I wanted one that hooked directly into the camera and used the power of the camera so that when I turn it on, it's electric. But the one I got like that didn't work at all. So I ended up getting this one, and I'm just paranoid that the battery's going to die and I'm not going to know it. And I'm going to have made a whole video with no sound, because I've done that, but not because of the battery, because of me not turning it on. I've done that a couple times now. It's very annoying. All right, now I'm going to go back in with this brush and do just a little bit of blending and bronzing and finishing everything up. Pull it down here some. Get some color in my pale face. I keep thinking I'm going to tan, but then I just think, no, I just want to lose weight. And so, haven't tanned. But I'm going to. Here, any minute now, I'm actually going to start self-tanning again. Because I think I look skinnier when I'm tan. And that's what we're going for right now. Skinny. Skinny, skinny, skinny. I'm going to go in with my Dallas blush. I know I use this one all the time, but you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? That's what I think. And my Cookie highlighter that I love. I love these two Benefit products. These are my favorite Benefit products. I have other products from Benefit, I know. Oh, the Cabral, I use that forever. Right now, I'm kind of in love with a pencil. Yeah, it's a pencil. It's like electronic, you know, it's a roll-up kind, but it's still a pencil. Okay. Now I'm going to take this. I've got too many brushes in there. Now I'm going to take my dual fiber brush and just blend all this in to make it look more natural. And we're good. Alright, I'm going to go off camera and finish my makeup, and I will be back to show you the look of the day. Okay guys, I'm back. This is our look of the day for today. So far, I am thinking that this is doing great. I think it looks great. It's not creasing. I got a little bit of liner on it, but other than that, it's looking good. It's looking great. So I will keep this on till the end of the day. It's playing really nicely with my foundation. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to spray it. I should spray it because that makes the glow come back out. And since it's been long enough, I can spray it after I put my... Usually if I put my mascara on, I don't spray it if I forget until then. But see how it makes the glow just come right back out? I love it. Okay, so I will be back at the end of the day to let you know whether it started to crease or break up or anything bad. This is the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish. Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer. That's what we're testing today. And so far, so good. So like I said, I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know how it did. Okay guys, I am back. It is the end of the day. And other than my little marks from my glasses and this bit of lipstick on my head, I think it looks exactly the same as it did when I put it on. It looks really good. I don't think it has as much coverage as like Shape Tape, but it also, I'm not having the issues with drying that I do with Shape Tape. I mean, I can make Shape Tape work, but this one I actually think I like better because I don't have to work as hard, but I also don't get as much coverage. So if I'm looking for something totally flawless, I am probably going to go with something, either the Huda Beauty or the Shape Tape. Maybe the Born This Way's got... I should try the Born This Way against this. But I think that I like this better. I think it looks better. It's less drying. I really like this. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up and call it good. It definitely didn't do any creasing or any separating around my nose or anywhere. I had stopped putting it right here because of the separation I got. I did put it on this spot though, and I don't see any separation. Yep. It looks good. I did get a little gathering right there, but I didn't, that wasn't the concealer. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want to see how I did this eyes, come back on Wednesday because that's when that look will be up. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!